In this video, you'll learn how to bookmark coins on Binance, which will allow you to easily access your favorite cryptocurrencies. This process involves navigating the Binance platform, adding coins to your watch list, and managing that list for optimal trading efficiency. Begin by navigating to the Binance website and signing into your account. Once signed in, locate the menu at the top of the page and click on Markets. This section displays a variety of trading pairs and cryptocurrencies available for trading. After accessing the Market section, use the search bar to find the specific coin you wish to bookmark. Make sure to open the coin details page for the correct trading pair, as this is essential for next. Look for the star or favorite icon next to the coin's name on its details page. Clicking this icon will add the coin to your watch list. After you click the icon, you should see a confirmation that the coin has been successfully added. It is advisable to add multiple coins if you are tracking several assets. The watch list feature will help you monitor price changes efficiently, but be mindful not to overcrowd your watch list. Regularly review your bookmark coins to ensure it remains organized. After adding your coins, you can manage and review your watch list. To do this, return to the home page and open your watch list. This area displays all the coins you have bookmarked. If there are coins you no longer wish to track, you can remove them by clicking on the corresponding delete icon. Additionally, you can reorder your coins based on your trading priorities. This organization is crucial for daily trading reviews. Consider combining your watch list with price alerts for enhanced monitoring. To maintain trading efficiency, keeping your watch list clean and relevant is essential. Regularly assessing which coins to keep and which to remove will help you focus on the assets that matter most to you. This process not only streamlines your trading experience, but also aids in making informed decisions based on your selected cryptocurrencies. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.